guys, what is going on? You are not going to want to miss this video. We are at the Highland Home model home today. It is up for sale. Yes. You guys, it has all the bells and whistles. You're not going to get another home like this. They went all out on upgrades. So you're definitely gonna want to stay tuned to check this home out. We've got all the information for you.
Yeah, great deal on this house, guys. This house went out. This is their model home right behind us, and it's available right now. It's up for sale. They are starting a new phase here in the community of Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas. So you won't want to miss this. This is going to be a beautiful, beautiful, upgraded, top-of-the-line house. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Carly here. We are local realtors here in the North Dallas area. Don't mind the background noise. We are outside, and they are doing some landscaping on the common spaces here right in front of us. But yes, we are local realtors here in the North Dallas area. We are a husband and wife team. We homeschool. We love the Lord, we love God, we love serving people and serving our communities. If you are looking to relocate here to the North Dallas area, this house might be just the one for you. Hey, give us a call. We help families just like yours buy, sell, relocate, and invest here in the North Dallas area. So we would love to hear from you, and let's dive right in. All right, guys, so like I mentioned before, we are in the community of Sandbrock Ranch here in Aubrey, Texas. Lovely community. We have done tons of videos about Sandbrock. Right here to our right, guys, it's going to be all the amenities. Amenity centers over there. Were you kicking a bug there or something?
There's a wasp.
There's a wasp, but she's kicking it. Amenity center right here to our right. Fishing ponds, they're all over there. Gym, everything that happens in as far as like community events happen over there. Dog parks right in front of us. Guys, there's a lot to do here in this community.
So guys, one of the biggest perks about this community is that they don't allow any rentals, which is huge because no other community does this aside from Sandbrock Ranch in our area. So there is great pride of ownership here in Sandbrock. Houses are great. Your home value is going to hold up nicely because you don't have any rentals. So keep that in mind.
That's right. We're going to take you guys inside this model home that it's available right now. So if you have any questions about it, hey, don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to hear from you.
What is going on, guys? Come on in. I'm going to show you guys the inside of the house. I can't wait for you guys to see this amazing Highland home. Follow me. So first off, here you're gonna see it's kind of weird. So this is where they have their office currently, but this is gonna actually be turned into your garage. So don't mind this, pretend there is a wall here. This door is gonna lead out to your 2-car garage, but you are gonna have additional space. So it's really gonna be like a 3. You're just not gonna be able to drive into that 3rd one. But let me tell you, that additional space comes in real handy when you're here in Texas. Now we're gonna walk you guys into the laundry room. Super cute laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. It also has a cute window, so you do get that natural light coming in. And check it out, and all these windows are gonna have that wood shutters, so you don't have to spend money on extra window coverings if you don't want to. Another awesome thing about this house is that it has hardwood engineered floor. So you guys, this flooring is beautiful. It is a light color, but not too light. But it just blends in really well with the rest of the home. And as you keep going, your stairs are gonna be on my right. So maybe your left, not entirely sure. But they're gonna be on the right as you come in. And then you can see the height of the ceilings here too. So for everybody that's looking for tall, high ceilings, this is definitely going to be one of the most popular floor plans that Highland Home has. And if I haven't mentioned it already, this is the Ellington. So another thing to consider is that they've very beautifully decorated this home. Keep in mind, this is the model home. So furniture will not stay, but it gives you a really, really good idea of how to set it up and just how much space you truly have. Now, some of the things that will come with it, like we said, this is a model home. It's got all the bells and whistles. They did some amazing, beautiful upgrades. These beautiful curtains are gonna stay. They are custom made and they shoot all the way up to the ceiling, bringing your eyes like straight up to the ceiling. It has so much height and natural light in here. When you walk in here, you can really see it. I hope the camera gets it. But you guys, there's a lot of natural light. Like if I had to turn off all the lights, I would still be able to see very clearly in here. As we keep going, you're gonna come into the living room area. And you're also gonna notice they've added a floor to ceiling tile here. Beautiful mantle. This is an electric, correct me if I'm wrong, electric fireplace. It's gas. I say it's electric because there's a convenient little switch that just turns it on and off, which is awesome because really, who wants to light a fireplace with matches and stuff? Like nobody. So that is super convenient for me. You do have a lot of space here. You have a ceiling fan so it doesn't get super warm. Lots of light additional as well. And as we walk back in here, I'm not sure where I'm going to take you guys, but here we go. So back here, this is one of the customs that you can choose if you're building this floor plan from the ground up. This one has conveniently added an office, private study, which is very popular nowadays. Lots of people working from home. So this is definitely something you want to have for resale value as well. People are looking for that private study away from the noise of family and everything else. And as you can see, it's not, what's the word I'm looking for here? It's not crowded. It doesn't feel cramped in here. You still have a lot of natural light, and then you've got a nice ceiling fan on the top. So you've got a lot of light for your work environment. Okay, something else to consider is that because this is the model home, they've already added a cute little cushion here. So you've got additional seating area. This is gonna stay with the home with the sell of it because it's been custom made to this area. Cute little cushions will not stay, but I'm sure they'll tell us where they got them if you really love them. Now here you are gonna have stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator does not come with the home. Keep that in mind. So you do have a built-in stainless steel microwave and your oven. Now this is all plumbed for gas in the kitchen. So you've got a 5-burner, beautiful countertop. They did the additional pendants on top. Again, this is a model home. So you can really see like the beauty of it when they picked everything out. You've got glass inserts up there. You've got the puck lighting, which is, again, if you're building this from the ground up, that is a costly addition to do. They've already taken care of that for you. They've also already added the hardware, which is black matte, very nice. And then you've got a farm style kitchen sink here as well. So really all you are left to do is just come in and move in your things and you've got this beautiful home. Follow me in to the master bedroom. Want to make sure I don't hit myself with anything. So over here, you are going to have your beautiful master bedroom. You've got smart thermostat here as well. So that is going to stay with the house. You've got a ceiling fan. Now here too, you can see that the ceiling height is taller, higher than like in your living room, in the kitchen. So this is really nice. It feels open. It feels wide. You also have bay window. You have a bay window back here, which just gives you additional space so that you can have a seating area in your master if that's something you want to do. You can put a little crib here as well if you've got little babies. So there's a lot of flexibility with this master bedroom. It is open and spacious. And as we walk back into the master ensuite, you are going to notice this beautiful barn door. So we get asked all the time if this stays with the house. When you're building from the ground up, this is something you have to do after you close. But because this is a model home, this is going to stay with it. So yay for you. You don't have to do it later. It's beautiful. And then you're going to come on back into the bathroom. You've got a drop-in tub, which is bigger. It's a soak-in tub. You've got, again, beautiful wood plantation shutters. You've got a separate shower and tub, dual sinks, of course. And then right behind me, you're going to have the master closet. Okay guys, let's head on out to the backyard. So here you have, they've done this backyard a little bit differently. So usually on the Ellington, you're gonna get a smaller yard. Here, it's an oversized lot. So that's something to consider. Texas is windy, so my hair's all over the place. So something to consider is that this lot is actually an oversized lot. So this is a great amount of space for the backyard. They've already taken care of the landscaping back here too. So that's all things that you guys don't have to worry about or take care of. Out here, you're gonna have stamped flooring, which looks beautiful. And I also want to point out just how close you guys are to the amenity center again, because you can see it from your backyard. Now there are going to be houses next to you, but for now you've got this beautiful view and you're like within walking distance to the amenity center, which holds the fitness room, pools, carriage house, events. So location on this is going to be amazing. So we are now upstairs where you're gonna have your media room / game room. Now the flexibility of this is awesome because you can convert it to a media room if you want. Now we know it's not enclosed, but if that's something you wanted to do, you definitely have the options to do it. Up here, you are gonna notice more wood flooring. So it's not on the stairs, but it is up here, which is really nice because you don't have to worry about carpet being stained. If you've got kiddos that play up here, or they bring soda or whatever up here, you don't have to worry about that. Now, another thing to consider is that this is open rail. So this has been an upgrade, horizontal, very popular right now. And that is throughout going up the stairs and throughout the sides. You don't have that like stucco wall that's like just awful to look at. This is a very nice addition. Again, keep in mind you are going to have those plantation shutters throughout the house, even up here, and the curtains are going to stay with the house like I mentioned before. So even these curtains up here are going to stay. Now this beautiful accent wall behind me is also going to stay. So if that's a cool fun color that you want to have for the kiddos or setting up a game room, it's already done for you. Again, awesome to have. Off to my right, you are gonna have one of the bedrooms, and something to note here is that you are gonna have upgraded carpet throughout the entire house. So all of the places that have carpet, it has already been upgraded. You can feel it as you're stepping on it. It's also much easier to keep clean, and it just gives the house a whole luxury feeling and vibe to it. So that's really nice to have already done in the house. We do have 3 bedrooms up here with an additional full bath with dual sinks. And another nice thing about buying the model home is the fact that the rooms have already been themed out for you. So it could fit perfectly with your family, might not flow with your vibe, but it's already done and you don't have to spend any money on it if it's something that you do like. Okay, right behind me, you do have the 3rd and final bedroom. And you guys, this is super cute. Like our daughter would love this room. It's very bright. It has a really large walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. And they've already painted the room to match these beautiful girl colors that you can choose to keep, or you can always repaint if you want. But honestly, this room just looks super cute for a girl. have it, guys. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Now, I did forget to mention that this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with just under 2,700 square feet and a private study. Also, side note, I broke our other mic while we were in there, so we're down to one mic.
Down to one mic right now. Hopefully this will make it, work. Like I'm getting interviewed by my wife, right? But hey, we make it work. We have to make it work. So hey, let us know if you have any additional questions about this particular house, this model home. Leave a comment. What was your favorite part about it? What was your favorite upgrade? And overall, what was your opinion about this this floor plan that we just walked? So we would love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our content. She was like all up right here on my eyes. I'm like, I talk with my mouth, not my eyes. So yeah, hey, our information is gonna be up here. We would love to chat with you. Let's get you into your dream home. Maybe Aubrey is not the place for you. We serve cities around Aubrey, McKinney, Frisco, Little Elm, Celina, Prosper, all this area in the North Dallas area. We help many families get into the dream home and sell as well. So we would love to represent you on your purchase of the next home. Let's talk about incentive. Great incentives, right? Great incentives going on right now. And if contact us directly, there is free money for you guys from us, okay?
I don't know if it's free. Like
free,
nothing's free. But yes, please contact us directly. We have additional incentives that we can give you that do not come from the builder. So when you go straight to the builder and you don't use a realtor, remember, one, you are not being properly represented at all for that matter. So having somebody on your side to explain things, to let you know if something's a little weird or quirky is always good to have. But also, when you call us directly and you use us, there is additional incentives that only we can give you because we give it to our clients. So please do us a favor and reach out to us directly. Don't skip us and go to the builder.
Yeah. So something that she mentioned was representation, right? You don't know what in the world the builder is writing there on the builder contract. Every builder has their own different contracts, okay? Because builders are not regulated by the Texas Real Estate Commission like we are. But yeah, so we can walk you through that. Also, we have great lenders straight from Highland that we can direct you with, that we can put in contact with you. So if you're not pre-approved, or if you're wondering like, hey, what is my house payment gonna look like, right, on this particular house, give us a call. We'll connect you with one of the Highland lenders, so they can walk you through that.
Yes. So give us a call, guys. Also, like you mentioned before, drop a comment. Super important. Again, we all know the game of YouTube, right? It's all about algorithms. So it really, really does help us when you drop a comment in the sections. If it's a positive comment, even better. Right. We're all about just, building each other up. So if it's a positive comment, awesome. But ultimately, any comment will do.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hey, thank you for staying to the end of the video. We will see you next time. Bye.